Hi, this is Susan Jackson from Professor Aaron Lewis's Summer 2019 BA 381 class, and this is my BA 381 digital assignment. The assignment was to go through a series of job search postings and set up profiles, update resumes, and look for jobs, and analyze the job posting websites. The first was Handshake. You can see I've enrolled in Handshake. I have an updated profile picture. My profile is 100% complete, and I've uploaded my resume. The next site is LinkedIn. You can see here that I have a LinkedIn profile. I have 229 connections. I have a profile picture. I've set up my LinkedIn user ID as Jackson Susan Marie, and I've also used that profile ID on my resume. You can see here's my resume, and I've added the LinkedIn.com Jackson Susan Marie on my resume. The next thing in LinkedIn was to look for a job. So I found this job, interestingly enough, at my own company. It's a trade compliance manager for our spare parts division. Another task on the LinkedIn site was to subscribe to different groups. So you can see here all the groups that I'm subscribed to. Another task was to look for Oregon State University alumni. So I've looked for Oregon State University alumni in the San Francisco Bay Area and who work at Cisco. And I found several, two of whom, Brenda Dennis, whom I have a mutual connection with, and Kimberly Baird, that I don't share a connection with, but they're both Oregon State University alumni working at Cisco. You can see here both. The next task was to set up a profile with Glassdoor. I used Arista Networks for my research in this part of the project. I went to the company review site and see that they have a 4-star overall review. However, all is not rosy. There are some reviews that are not very flattering to the company. It is disparaging against their culture of favoritism and nepotism in this startup company type environment. I did look for interviews in a position that's not engineering, so that was the challenge, to find an interview question that was not engineering specific. And I found it interesting because the question was simply, have you done any projects, which is kind of close-ended. I would have expected an open-ended question, like describe the projects you've worked on. Another Arista thing that I looked for is the salaries. And you can see the finance analyst for all cities, the average salary is between $47,000 and $72,000. But there were only 2 salaries posted for financial analysts. The next site I set up a profile on was Indeed. You can see my profile here, and my resume is updated. I did a job search on Indeed and found a global trade compliance manager at Arista Networks, oddly enough. The assignment was to find the job and then do just a little research about the company. Arista is a competitor of Cisco Systems. It was formed by an ex-employee of Cisco Systems who actually took trade secrets with him to start his own company. So that's what I know about Arista. The next job posting site was Way In. So I've added a picture to, Way Up. I've added a picture to Way Up and added my resume. One of the things that we were asked to do is go look for a job on a job board that was not any of those provided. So the LinkedIn and the Indeed and whatever. So I found Link Up, which oddly enough has some trade compliance manager jobs here in my area, specifically Milpitas, which is the city where I live. I'm familiar with some of the people who work at Lumentum because our trade industry is slow. I mean, it's small, not slow. The next thing on the to-do list was to find 2 websites that are that regard our trade community. So Lephart and Associates has a trade community and updates world affairs and job openings. It provides industry resources like training for the broker's exam, etc. And the other is Sandler, Travis, and Rosenberg, who sends out daily blasts to the trade community so we can keep up with the Twitter feed and the ever-changing compliance footprint. That's all for now. I hope you enjoyed my digital tour, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks.